no te vayas. Whenever you want to express demands, order, and request, you need to use the imperative mode, el modo imperativo. So, stay tuned as today we will learn all about it. Hello everyone, if this is your first time around here, let me introduce myself. Yo soy Lorena and I am here to teach you Spanish and of course to subscribe to this channel. ¿Están listos? Empecemos. Okay guys, so today we're gonna learn the imperative mode in the negative form, okay? So first, well, I'm gonna tell you a little bit when to use the imperative, okay? We're gonna use it to give orders or make requests or make suggestions or give advice. For example, habla más despacio, por favor. Levántate temprano mañana. Ve a la tienda y compra leche. Okay, those are examples, right? Now, the imperative can only be conjugated in the following forms. Second person singular, tú or usted. First person plural, nosotros. And second person plural, ustedes. So only 3 conjugations. The way we conjugate the Spanish imperative is different for each form and changes depending on whether the imperative is affirmative or negative. So today we're going to focus on the negative form. If you want to learn about the affirmative, you can go and watch our other video that we have related to it, okay? You already know this, that we do not use personal pronouns in the imperative. That's not common. I mean, that's almost impossible. We don't do it, okay? So let's start with second person singular, tú. The negative imperative is the same as the second person singular of the present subjunctive. For example, hablar, no hables. Aprender, no aprendas. Escribir, no escribas. So, I'm going to give you 3 examples. No hables tan rápido. No corras en el pasillo. No toques ese botón. Now, what about the first person plural, nosotros or nosotras? So, the imperative of the first person plural is the same as the present subjunctive as well. So, let's see. If we have the verb hablar, we would say no hablemos. Aprender, no aprendamos. Escribir, no escribamos. Let's see some examples. No hablemos tan rápido. No corramos en el pasillo. No toquemos ese botón. Okay, so remember the translation would be more like let's not do this, let's not do that, okay? Okay, before we continue, let's do our daily practice. Let's see what are we gonna learn today. Hello guys, this is a quick reminder that our favorite language learning app has changed its name. Now you can find it as AirLearn. So go right now to your App Store or Play Store, type AirLearn, and you're gonna find it right away, okay? So remember, AirLearn. Now download it and you can start learning multiple languages. You can learn Spanish, French, even German. So what are you waiting? Download AirLearn right now.
And now we move to asking someone their beverage preferences. To ask about someone else's beverage preference, you can say tú bebes, followed by the name of the beverage. ¿Tú bebes vino? Means do you drink wine? In this, tú bebes means do you drink and vino means wine.
Okay, so translate this one to English. Tú bebes. Perfect. Now translate the sentence. I drink a lemonade with ice. And you? Translate it in the comments.
Bebo. Con. Yo bebo una limonada con hielo. ¿Y tú?
Excellent. Now, match the following. You drink?
Tú bebes.
I drink?
Yo bebo. ¿Tú bebes vino tinto?
Okay, so what do you hear?
¿Tú bebes vino tinto? ¿Tú bebes vino tinto?
Perfect. Now, translate the sentence to Spanish. Do you drink a beer or wine?
Bebes. ¿Tú bebes una cerveza o un vino?
Okay, now true or false. Tú bebes café con azúcar means I drink coffee. Perfect. It means you drink coffee with sugar. Okay, now let's see. Do you drink soda with ice?
Tú bebes soda con. ¿Tú bebes soda con hielo?
Now drag the images into the correct bucket and we have a wine,
Vino,
a soda,
soda,
and a coffee.
café.
Okay, so now let's see how to do the polite form in the singular of the second person, usted. The imperative for the polite form usted is the same as its present subjunctive. For example, hablar, no hable. Aprender, no aprenda. Escribir, no escriba. So you can say something like, no hable tan rápido. No corra en el pasillo. No toque ese botón. Now let's see the imperative for ustedes. Okay? So it would be the same as its present subjunctive form. For example, hablar, no hablen. Aprender, no aprendan. Escribir, no escriban. So let's see the examples. No hablen tan rápido. No corran en el pasillo. No toquen ese botón. So guys, as you can see, the negative imperative is the same as the subjunctive in present form. Okay, so once you grab one, then you will have the other one. So that's amazing, right? Okay, we can also use the infinitive, right? And the infinitive will go just the same. We add no, and then we'll add the infinitive, like no hablar, no aprender, no escribir, no fumar. And it would mean something like let's not do it, right? So let's do a little bit of a practice. It would be a listening practice. I'm going to tell you sentences in imperative and their negative form, and I want you to listen carefully, and I want you to also repeat after me, okay? So let's start. No salgas sin abrigo. No perdamos el tiempo en discusiones. No fume aquí, por favor. No entren sin permiso. No perdamos la esperanza. No corran en el pasillo. No olviden traer sus documentos. No escribas en la pared. No mires la televisión tan cerca. No beban alcohol si van a conducir. Well, that would be it for today's lesson. I hope you guys have learned something new. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with one of your friends. Yo soy Lorena, and I'll see you the next one. Nos vemos a la siguiente. Adiós.